In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a header row in Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, on this example here, you can see my header row here. So I've got name, email, department, start date. Now to make it stand out a bit more, we can select that row and click on bold and make it a little bit larger. Now we can also format the header row. So as I've said, we can make it bolder, we can center it, we can align it to as we want. We can also change the font as well. So if you don't want that, you can use a different font. Impact looks pretty bad. I'm going to go Arial. Make sure to select it, Arial. And now we can also freeze the row. So when you scroll down, you're going to see the header row scroll down as you go down. So to do this, we want to click on the row, click onto format, click on the view, and then click on freeze, and then you want to freeze the one row. So if your header is only one row, click on one, but if you got two headers, go two rows. So I'm just going to go ahead and freeze that top row. So if I scroll down, you can see that's going to scroll down with me. So basically with the header, you want to keep the header name short and descriptive and avoid leaving blank columns within your table. Use consistent formatting for all your headers.